Hey guys, it's Kate and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a ColourPop unboxing, which I don't think I've actually done since the Frozen collection released. I've definitely shown some of the ColourPop pieces that I have picked up in haul videos, like my Nightmare Before Christmas, my Hocus Pocus, but I got the full collection of the new High School Musical collaboration and I am pumped. So I wanted to show you guys because I am definitely a early 2000s, 2010 Disney Channel kid and this was right up my alley. So let's go ahead and get started. Nothing exciting on the box, just a brown cardboard box, but I am going to open up inside. I went ahead and just got the PR package. In all honesty, the one piece of the collection I was not thrilled about were the eye crayons or like the eyeliners, just because that's not something I personally wear a lot. But when I put the other pieces into my cart, it was like a $3 difference. So then I just went ahead and got the full thing. And maybe I can find a way to incorporate those eyeliners into some looks. So here is the PR box. Outside of the cardboard box, you can see it has all of the main character signatures across. You've got Sharpay, Chad, Taylor, Troy, Gabriella, and Ryan all over. It does say fragile and established in LA on the sides. But other than that, it is just the signatures, which is so super cute. From what I've seen of the palette, it's supposed to look like the yearbook. So like you're signing a yearbook, you've got the signatures. Love it. So go ahead and, popping it open. Oh my gosh, the front, or the inside says, "What team? Wildcats." That is so cute. And there is nice bubble wrap. So your items are protected. Ooh, this is what the interior looks like. All right, let's jump in. What team? All right, so I'm assuming this is the palette. It does have a sticker that says East High on it. Has anybody been to the actual school where they filmed the East High location? I know it is an actual school in Salt Lake City. I'm fairly certain. I would love to visit. Here is the exterior packaging, and then on the back it showcases all of the names of the shadows. Of course, the shadows are not all of these colors. They just kept that color so it kind of matched the vibe. But we're going to take it out of the cardboard packaging. So here it is again. Oh my gosh, I cannot get over how cute it is. And again, the back, so it is literally exactly the same as the packaging. And then first look inside. So cute. So there is no mirror in this palette, which I am totally fine with. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in a bit. Not zoom in, but hold the palette in a bit. So hopefully that was clear, and I am going to do swatches at the very end, so I'll insert that clip as well. But I love the color story of this. I really like that it includes a lot of neutrals as well as some fun pops of color or even some smokier looks for fall. The stamps are so cute too. Was that a cell phone from Miss Darvis? Has the little East High Wildcat, and then Scholastic Decathlon has EHS for East High. And then East High School, and then Detention has little Wildcat prints, but this is absolutely precious. I am so happy with that. And then the other interior has all of the signatures again, which is really cute because of course, unless you are like a full collector, I would say most people aren't going to keep the box, so it's fun to have the signatures on the palette too. All right, there were 3 blushes in this collection. And same thing, you've got this super cute exterior that says High School Musical, property of Wildcats, and then it does have the color right on top. So this is shade Wildcats, very appropriate. Same exact packaging on the interior, and right inside you've got the Wildcat shade. It even says class of 2008, so cute. Here is the next one. I'm not going to show you the packaging again because it is literally the same. This one is called Freaky Genius Girl, which is a nickname that is given to Gabriella because she's so smart. Love that really pretty shade of pink. And then the last one, as far as the blushes, is the Playoffs. And this one is a really pretty, I would say more of a warm tone. I'll hold up side by side Freaky Genius Girl and Playoff so you can see Freaky Genius Girl is definitely more pink. This one's more of like a warm corally pink. This is a very poppy pink. So it's really fun, just depending on your look, kind of what you're wanting to create with that. Then we have the Just a Tint. Let's do these next, yeah. These are the Just a Tint, what are they called? Lip crayons, there we go. I was like, I don't think that it's a lip gloss. They're called lip crayons. I'm trying to stack them all up nice so you guys can see the exterior box. And then the back says property of Wildcats. And then on the top, you do have all of the names. Status Quo, Pop and Lock, and Cello. Okay, so let's go ahead and take these out of the boxes as well. Take closer looks at the crayons. Ooh, I love this one. This one I definitely think is going to be a go-to for me. I love all of the stars along the lid. This is just too cute. I am so happy with that. That was the color Cello. No, I'm so sorry. That was color Status Quo. This one is Pop and Lock. Really fun, vibrant fuchsia pink. And then this one is Cello. A saw. No, man, it's like a giant violin. This one's a really pretty raspberry. I appreciate that although yes, these are very neutral colors and I'm sure everybody has a ton of these in their collection, that they did do neutral, because I imagine a lot of, like, I know myself in high school, I never wore makeup just like I do as an adult, and when I did, it was generally very neutral looks. Of course, I did the fun, like something specific for a holiday, but most times when people are wearing makeup, I feel like when they're a teen or even into their adult life, when they have a career, it's pretty mellow, neutral, natural looking makeup, so I appreciate those kinds of colors. And then the last one, this one I said is the one that I wasn't like too sure about. These are the Cream Gel Liner Trio. And then the back has all of the colors. So I was watching, I believe it's Makeup Just for Fun is her full YouTube name. And she always does phenomenal reviews of makeup collections because she's very thorough and includes a lot of information. So I highly recommend you check her out. She said that 2 of these are exclusive to the collection and 1 is a re-promotion of a color that has already been in their collection. So Exit, which I believe is the white. Oh my gosh, the writing is so small. I feel like I'm getting so old reading these little letters. Yes, the Exit, this one is a color that has already been in their Cream Gel Liner collection, but these 2, the In This Together and Spring Musicale, are specific for this collection. So here is Let's see if I can try to hold it so you guys can see. I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see that, but we're gonna try. And then on the back is where you can see the names, possibly. Hopefully that was readable. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do some swatches on my arm, which you guys I'm sure would have already seen as I was unboxing these. I went ahead and inserted them all. So overall, I am absolutely thrilled. So happy with my purchase. I'm so excited to play with these colors. It's super nostalgic for me, as I said, since I am definitely an early 2000s Disney Channel kid. I watched all of the movies when they premiered on TV, and the third one when it premiered in theaters. I was just so into it. This is so my jam. So it's very nostalgic, it's very fun. The colors they chose I think are really nice, very workable for every day. Again, this palette I am just so inspired by, and I really am excited to get in, and not only just the natural and neutral tones as I said, but really some of these smokier colors too for fall. I think this whole bottom row is stunning for fall, which I am very much in the mood of right now. I am sick of summer, I'm over summer. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure that you do give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.